Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Friday, November 13, 2015. And today in the news, we have, first of all, a lot of people have been asking me when's the next release of Insider Preview for the Windows mobile version. Well, it does seem that there's a little glitch in the preview, the Insider Preview they want to send to the phones, so it will take a few more days apparently before they release an insider preview, probably next week. So it's interesting to note that they're taking their time, and I think that's a really good idea because it's not always a good idea to rush things in computers, of course. In other news, well, since yesterday morning, people have been having the Windows 10 Fall update rolling into their computers, and it's taking some time to install. It's a little normal. It's a big update. It's almost like a reinstall of Windows, basically, what happens there. So it's a very, very big update there. Not major issues, basically. Of course, there is a lot of people complaining on the Microsoft blog sites and so on. But once again, you know what? We got to put things relative to the size and the amount of people actually installing it. There are, literally millions and millions of people installing it. So even if half of a percent of these people have a problem, that makes a lot of people. And well, the major issues that we see right now are mostly Windows Update Fall Update does not show up in the Windows Update. In which case, Microsoft says be patient; it's going to show up eventually. Of course, you can use the download tool. I have posted a video to show you how to update if it doesn't show up. A few people have been reporting that it fails at the install, so if we see anything that can help you with that, we'll be, of course, posting a video. And why not try the download tool once again to upgrade instead of going through Windows Update if you've got a failed update. And a few little glitches here and there with drivers and stuff like that. I did notice that the drivers reinstall in the Windows 10 Fall update, so that might cause issues. Simply remove the driver and reinstall it, or try to install a driver from the manufacturer of the hardware. Should fix the issues and the glitches. But apart from that, most people that I've seen seem to say it updated flawlessly, works fine, and it's a great experience. So that's the cool thing, and it brings Cortana to a few new countries like Canada, Japan, Australia, and India. In our other news that we have today, you might have seen this on your computer. I know that a lot of you on my channel have told me that you've seen this. Failed attempt at install of Windows 10 on your computers, even if you didn't want to have Windows 10. Well, after months, Microsoft finally acknowledged, yeah, it's true, it happens. It's apparently a bug in Windows update. There's something that happened in one of the Windows updates that kind of makes this want to install itself. But Microsoft says that since the past Patch Tuesday update this week, apparently this is stopped on all machines that were trying to install Windows 10. So if you're one of those victims, let me know if it did fix that problem for you. A lot of people have been reporting that it's sometimes a little annoying and even can slow down the computer or make it go bad. So apparently that is fixed. And I did look at one of the blogs where people were complaining about it, and it does seem that the overwhelming majority seem to say that, yep, it's fixed. There's no more attempts to install Windows 10 without the consent of the user. So that's good news, but why the hell did Microsoft take 3 months before they acknowledged? This is, the funny part of Microsoft, where they have some kind of problem communicating things to the users. And in our last bit of news, a little funny news, a Google self-driving car has been arrested by a cop in California. So I imagine how, surprised the cop must have been when he went to the window and asked for the driver's license. Um, Apparently, it is a new cop that's just starting on the job, from what I've read, and so maybe he didn't know what these are. And the reason for the ticket was simply that the car was going too slow in a fast lane on the highway. So what do? Do they say, here's a ticket for Google? They can't give a ticket to the guy in the car. He's not driving it. So funny little story here, basically. Um, Ticket to a self-driving car because it's going too slow. It's kind of a different thing than humans that are going too fast, basically. Um, this was the tech news for Friday, November 13, 2015. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, problems, suggestions, let me know. It's always fun to have your feedback. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos. Helps us on the ratings on YouTube. And thank you so much for following us. And it's always great to have all of you watching my videos.